Hello, I'm Victoria and today I'm going to talk about some typical tapas in Andalusia. I enjoy every weekend with my friends or my family to have a draw beer on a wine glass in my favorite restaurant called La Andaluza. I have eaten almost all the tapas on the menu, but I suggest that you eat a bowl style. Voltaire needs to be cooked slow over a low heat because it is extremely bony. But when it cooks long enough, it becomes so tender that it nearly dissolves in your mouth. The ingredients are red pepper, black sweet onions, tomatoes, baby leaf, cloves, carrot, all of them diced, salt, oil, and bull tail. It seasoned but the bull tail with salt and pepper and put in a large heavy pan heat and splash of olive oil to a medium high heat. Like that, bowl tie with some flour and 6 spears hot oil. In a pan oils it out the lean onions, garlic, red pepper, and tomato for about 10 minutes. It's added the carrot, bay leaf, ginger, and clove, and saute 1 minute. And the bull tail back to the pan and cover with the wine and stock. It's brought to a boil and then is covered and reduced to a slow simmer. Would you like to eat it? Another tapa I recommend eating the fish marinated. The ingredients are cloves, garlic chopped, paprika, oregano, oil, ground black pepper, salt, flour. This is usually made with dog fish and solid flaxhead fish, shad among fish. It is my favorite vegetarian tapas. The fish is cut in cubes, discarding any skin and bones. It put in a glass of ceramic bowl. It mixes together the oil, vinegar, water, garlic, paprika, oregano, pepper, and salt. It's poured over the fish and mixed well. It's marinated for at least 6 hours or overnight. Then it's drained the fish well, dredge it in of flour and fry the piece a few at a time in hot oil until golden and crisp. It's drained on paper toweling and it's served hot. Other typical tapas I suggest eating lomo de orza, criadillas, targaninas. During the spring, we can taste the stew with wild herb like targaninas. The ingredients are tomato, onions, clove, herb, pink, cooking, salt, oil, and vegetable stock. It's delicious. Which one would you like to eat?